In this example, we're going to remove options from an option set field. So we have the sample option set field on the Sales Insight account form. Currently, there's 5 options in this field. We're going to remove option number 4. In order to make the changes to this system, we need to go to the form editor. In the command bar, click the settings icon. Select the advanced settings option. When the setting pages open up, click the down arrow next to the settings field. Click the customizations icon. Select the customize the system link. When the solution opens up in the left navigation, open up your entities list. Go to the entity that you want to make the changes in. Select fields. You have the option by searching the field by the schema name or the display name. In this situation, I'm going to just search by the display name. So double click to open up the field. Let's say we're going to remove option 4, so you select the option that you want to remove and you click the delete button. You will get a warning sign that tells you any existing records that might represent or reference this option value will not be updated if this is deleted. So you click OK, and you click the Save and Close button. Now, to make sure that you make the changes on the system, you select the entity name, and in the command bar, click the Publish button. By clicking the Publish button here, it will only publish the changes that you made to this specific entity. Once the system has published the changes, close the solution, navigate back to your entity, and click the Refresh button. Navigate down to your field, and you notice that your option has been removed.